Today we're going to go over I can find products in parentheses. Does anybody remember order of operations? The order of operations, we spell out this word right here. P-E-N-D-A-S. Okay. Parentheses. Parentheses. This word you guys won't use yet. This is called exponents. We'll do that next year. We are. What do you think the M means? It's either going to be, let's go down here. What do you think the A means? What's that word, Sean? Add. Very good. What do you think the M means? Evan? Multiply. What do you think the D means, Rich? Divide. Very good. And last but not least, subtract. So, this is the order. You guys will go over next year with Mrs. Order of operations. This is the order and how you always do when you have a problem like this. The order you follow when you're doing a mathematical equation. So, it spells out appendix. Some people say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P-E-N-D-A-S. I was teaching math in high school. I had my kids memorize that and then they'd write it on their tests for extra credit so they can go right down and remember. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to read the problem. We're not going to do the problem yet, we're going to go over the problem. 5 times 2 plus 4 times 1. So, what are we going to start with first? Everything that's in the what? Parentheses. Parentheses. Very good. So what's in the parentheses here? So we're going to add. Then we're going to get the answer, and we're going to do what? What's next? Do we have any exponents? No, because we don't even know what those are, do we? Do we have multiplication?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're going to do what's in the parentheses, which is multiply. Then do we have any division?
No.
Do we have any addition?
Yes.
Yes. Do we have any subtraction?
No.
So the first thing we're going to do are parentheses. What's the next thing we're going to do, Taiwan? Look down here. Look down.
Multiply.
Very good. No. We are the last thing. Add. Very good. That's awesome. So we are going to add. We're starting with the parentheses first to find the what? Products. You guys know what the product is?
No.
Product is the answer whenever you multiply anything. So if I go 2 times 2, Miara, what's the product of 2 times 2?
2.
The product of 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals what? 2 times 2?
It's 2 plus 2.
Same thing. 2 plus 2 is the same as 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So if I said 2 times 2, the product is 4. Miara, if I go 2 times 1, what's the product? 2. Rashawn, if I say 4 times 4, what's the product? Four times 4. 4 times 2. What's the product? You were the first time, right? Where's the product? Hey, good job. So the product is what, Taiwan? Product means what? What does the word product mean? It is it's the answer. It's the answer. It's the answer if you do what? Multiply, add, divide, subtract. Multiply, very good. So up here, we're going to do what's in the parentheses first, right? So we're going to do this, then we're going to do this, then we're going to add the what? What are the answers for multiplication? They're called the what? Product. So add the product. You guys remember way back when, what is the word that we say, use the answer? If I say this, Evan, what's that equal? Okay. what's this called? You guys remember? Multiplication is called what? Product. You remember what it's called in addition? Very good. That's my boy. Pippin. Now let's feel the answer. Sum. So when we add something, the answer is called what? The what?
I mean the sum.
Sum. When we multiply? Very good. All right, so now we're going to walk through this together. So what we're going to do is I'm going to walk through it together. I want you guys to do it on your own, then we'll walk through it. So what we're going to do is, what's the product here? Write down. Here. Go ahead and erase. Okay, you got it, so. Show me the product of the first parenthesis. Pull it down, I'll let you know. Keep it down. Okay, guys, come up. Just give me the product of the first parentheses. 5 times 2 is what? Very good. Tag on, you see? Very good. 5 times 2. 2 5s. 10. Very good. Who got 10? Raise your hand. Good job. All right. So what do we do with this addition? Do we leave it up there or do we bring it down? Bring it down. Very good. All right. Now show me write down what the product of 4 times 1 is. 4 times 1, think of it. Good. Who got 4? Raise your hand. All right, good job. Anything times 1 is that same number, right? So what are we, okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to find, we're adding, right? So we're looking for the, what? What's the answer called if we add? Sum. So go ahead, write your answer down, what the answer to this is, and then raise your hand when you're done. I'm going to wait for Rashawn. All right, I'm going to put up your board. Let me see what you got. All right, 14. You guys got 14? You already got 14? Don't multiply, baby. It's like first time around, you multiply. Don't get confused, okay? You're multiplying this times this, and then you're adding the answers. All right, now let's erase our whiteboards with our socks. All right. Here we go. I'm going to have you guys do this on your whiteboard silently. All right, we're going to do this first one together. We're going to do this first one on the whiteboard. All right, there we go. Do it on our own. Good job. Bring it all down. Now, tag around, you got to come up with the answer, buddy. Check your addition, all right, check your addition. You're close. Check your addition. All right, I'll take care.
What's up, Bree?
Everyone, good job. You already. What's this answer? What's this answer? So 3 plus 18, right? This answer comes here. This answer comes here. All right, raise your hand if you got 21. Good job. You forgot just to add them. You had the answer, you just forgot to add them, right? You got the answer. You gotta make sure, wait a minute, Sean, this is how you do it. This is how I read it. Because I would get all confused when I was younger. I put 3 down here, cross this out. Now I'm done with it. Bring the plus sign. What do I do with the plus sign, Devon?
Take it down.
Bring it down. 3 times 6, we got 18. I'm done with this, so it's gone. So now I just have my problem right here. Alright? Now I'm gonna give you a list of 3 problems. You guys can do on your own.
You can do all of them.
All 3 of them.
But you're supposed to keep the problem?
I want to see, write it small. Then I might want to see how many R's doing it that way. Might want to do it the long way.
Right, small?
I would, sir.
Or right, small? Not do it,
Alright. Let's go ahead and do those on your own. I'll walk around and see how you guys are doing. That's the first one done. That's good. You give yourself enough space. Take a good job. Now, good job giving yourself enough space. Good job. Alright, so now bring the plus sign down. Don't forget the plus sign. Bring it down. 9 times 3. You guys feel like you're getting it? Give me a thumbs up if you're getting it. Thumbs up. If you're not, give me a thumbs down. If you're confused, put your head down and cry. No, say bye. Good job.
I'm not bad.
You got this, you got this. Now, let's see what you have for number 1. You're off by one number. Can you go higher or lower? Is it 35 or 33? What do you have for number 2, Caroline? This comes out 15 plus 31. Yara, what do you have for the last one? Beautiful. All right, Rashawn, you're okay. You're behind these guys, so still coming. Last thing we're going to do, go ahead and erase it. We're going to use you guys, go ahead and erase it, Rashawn, you're okay. What we're going to do is called exit ticket. When I was teaching, I used to do exit tickets. It's real easy. You guys think you have an understanding of it, right? What I want you to do is I'm going to give you a little Post-it. You're going to write on your Post-it. You're going to leave it for me, and we'll walk back to class. I want you to do your own problem. Write your own parentheses of your problem like what we had. You make up your own problem. I've erased them all. So I want you to make up your own problem, and then you go ahead and you delete. And what I'll do is I'll let you know how you did it. The first thing you're gonna draw is perfect. Good job, Caroline.